parang bet ka video hadu bakun kanira hibun yapi. Part 6. It doesn't look very nice outside today. Kamday itunat shabar mentakasmi. You are right. I think it's going to rain later. Kaday kabapiong taray kan sa slab shibit. I don't like when it's rain like this. I'm snowed at the slab kumni. Why? What happened? Balay, Chaayu. Because every time it's rain, my hair get all wet. Namarman kapor baslab, usyu jonga uchi lud barot. Why you don't take an umbrella? Balay pimsiyum sitri. I do take an umbrella, but I still get wet. Asyam kasatri tang bangadang chi. I like rainy day. Nasyo tunat kasngi baslab. What? Why? Kae balay. Because when it rains, I can stay inside the house and cook with my family. Namar lada slab. Ngayo bansyong ying banshed batibahi. I like after it's rain, all the plants and trees turn green. I do not on the larang slab paro kiching tung kiding kikilajer ngamdut. Not in the winter. Day hagport lang. Yes, but it depends on where you live. How odd. Indrikasyong hagi jaka bapisa. I live in Hawaii. It's rained a lot, but it's never too cool. Nasa Hawaii kaslab ha tang bakam jukriat. I'm from Shillong. It's usually rain and very cool. A day na Shillong, para buwa kasyat slab at kriat ba. Sometimes it's rain and then it's snow. I hate snow too. Teng-teng kasyat slab nang ta kan sa habyor. Naru maisi yakayor. What? You didn't like the snow? Kae? Pipsngaw tunad yor. I like the snow. But when we have snow every day, I didn't like. Snow tunad yakayor. Tang ba ngam snow tunad dakadwan yor man kasu. But me, I really like snow. Tang ba nga snow tunad ba yakayor. Maybe you should shift to another place. Taray pihap kanya hagaway pat kachaka. That's impossible. Katagabong lalong. It is not easy to move to another place without knowing very well. Kamday kabasog panchulit sa hagaway kachaka klam na ito ba? You are right. Kamday kabapion.